Here's our Saga 2 bingo, electronic bingo machine. It plays 1 to 90 number bingo. I'm just going to plug the machine in. It'll do a countdown as soon as it plugs in. So it goes through all the numbers, runs right the way through, and does a little sort of quick countdown. Now this comes with a slave, so the left hand side is a slave unit. So if you've got a bigger venue, you can place the slave unit strategically so everybody within the room can clearly see the numbers. Again, you'll also have a caller, so whoever's calling the numbers needs to be heard as well. On the right hand side of the bingo machine, you've got 3 buttons. You've got a recall button, so you can recall previous numbers. You've got total calls, that's how many calls have actually been called. There is a jackpot function on this. So for example, you could set the jackpot at 35 numbers. So if anybody wins the full house within 35 numbers being called out, they could win the jackpot. So that's quite important. And then there's a select button, and that selects the next button. And again, because you're in total control of this, you can control the pace of your bingo game, so you can speed it up, slow it down as you need to. So that's the game. So what we can do is just press select now, and it tells me that the jackpot is 35 numbers preset to this. And then it selects it again, it's on 0. So now it's going to start to select the numbers. And as you see, that's number 51. It's come up on the slave unit. Now this is the side that the caller sees, so they can clearly see the number on there. They've got a board here where they can see what numbers have been called, and on the reverse of that is exactly the same as the slave unit. So we'll keep selecting some numbers, and I'm just running through it really sort of quickly here as a demonstration, but obviously we're doing it a little bit slower. When you're actually playing bingo, you play it a lot slower than this. But you can control the pace. Now, number 44 is the current number. Let's draw the next number. It's number 10. But you'll see that number 44, the previous number, will be flashing, and that will happen all the time. So number 10 is now flashing, and the next number out being called is number 69. So you can keep going until somebody's won. And the beauty about this machine is it also has a function where if you lose power to it and then regain the power, you don't lose this game. And I'm going to demonstrate that now. I'm going to unplug it very quickly. So there, I've unplugged it. The slave is still showing 61. That's still plugged in. Now, I'll put it back on. It comes straight back. It has all the numbers that were before it. It has the previous number flashing, and it still sort of shows number 61. And we can continue with this game, even though at one point we lost power. So that's a brilliant little sort of function. Obviously, somebody calls a house or a line. You take the bingo ticket, and you can check that on the numbers on there to make sure they're actually calling correctly and they are a winner. And that's our Saga 2 bingo game. Thank you.